Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Brandon. Today we're going to show you how to put the ink in on the HP Officejet Pro 8720. We have our ink here and we have the printer, so we're going to go ahead and put these right in. Okay, so to get to the print head on this printer, which is where you put the ink, you're just going to lift this up. Very easy to lift. You see how it comes down just like that? But it's going to be lifted. The print head should come right to the middle here. So once the print head is right in the middle there, you're going to go ahead and install each one just like this, and you're really just pushing that in there and it's gonna fit right in place. So just so you see how it looks, it's right in the middle of the printer. I lifted this top part off and then the last one is going to be right in there. So there's going to be a link in the description below for you to go ahead and purchase some new ink, but this is how you install it. Now of course if you were looking to buy this printer, there's going to be a link as well for that, but this is just a quick tutorial on how to install the ink. Once it's in there, you just close this back up. Very simple, and it is going to go ahead and check your cartridges. Okay, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.